cosine of x is minus sine of x. So that's cosine of x times the minus sine of x. Stop.
20 seconds, 27 hundredths of a second.
I solved that in 20 seconds. Time for equation 2. So, next equation, the derivative of the sine of x squared in 3, 2. We need to also use the triangle inside the triangle. Sine of 3x squared. So sine of 3x squared, the derivative of that is 6x, which is cosine of 3x squared multiplied by the unit, which is 6x. So we end up with so we've got cosine of sine of 3x squared times the cosine of 3x squared times 6x. Now,
Was that the answer?
yep. Now we've got our third equation.
1 minute. You're looking at orange.
Now, ta-da! 3, 2, 1, go! Now, this is the integral of cosine of x to the 1/2 power times it to the x to the power of negative 1/2 power. Now, now we can use the substitution rule here since x to the power of 1/2, the derivative of that is x to the power of negative 1/2. Now, let's substitute x to the 1/2 into u, and then we need to find du, but du is just x to the minus 1/2, so we get cosine of u du, and we just take the integral of cosine of u, which is going to be sine of u, so you get sine of, and then you just substitute back in and you get sine to the x1. Yeah, I think that's good. 3 equations.